Hello YouTube, welcome all. Today I'm going to talk about the amazing Oppo Find X. This phone has bezel-less display. It has nice curved body. The phone has a sliding in and out camera pop-up with sensors in 0.5 second speed. This phone has 6.42 inches AMOLED display. The phone has speaker, microphone, USB Type-C port and SIM tray at the bottom of the body. This phone have Snapdragon 845 processor with 8 GB RAM. It has fast 3D face unlock. It runs in Android version 8.1 Oreo. The phone has 3730 mAh battery fast charger in 50 minutes. About its main camera is dual pop-up 16 megapixels rear 20 megapixels. Its video is 2160p, 1080p and 720p. Its selfie camera is single pop-up 25 megapixels. Its front video is 1080p. Its screen resolution is 1080 into 2340 pixels. Its screen protection is Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Its CPU is octa-core 4 into 2.8 GHz. Well, these were all the information that I could provide for you in brief about the latest Oppo Find X. Don't forget to like this video if you did enjoy watching this. Please do share this video and comment as well. Don't forget to subscribe our channel as well. Thank you very much.